Hello everyone, I am Arun from Tech Ocean. Today I am going to show you the demonstration of BenQ LED touch panel which comes with a 4K resolution, and it also comes with the different sizes. Sizes starting from 55 inches, 65 inches, 70 inches, 75 and 86. And here the BenQ has given a germ protection surface on the top. It also having a anti-glare surface, and it is certified with a TUV, flicker free and smart ICAS technology. Here we have a toughened glasses, and it is also having a front projection speaker. It has inbuilt Wi-Fi and other connectivity features like HDMI option and VGA option, LAN connectivity. And we are also having a lot of applications where we have a writing applications, Easy Write, where we can select the pen tool and we can choose different colors and we can start writing. And we can add n number of pages. There is a n number of pages can be added, and the pen tool comes with a different. There is one more tool called handwriting recognition, where it will recognize the written format and it will be converting it into a text format like this. And we have a mathematical tools where we have a calculator. We can do the calculator applications can be used here, and it also comes with geometrical applications where it will recognize the shapes what we draw and we can clear, and more applications. After taking classes, the pages can be saved, and we can also take a printout and we can share the pages to the student devices instantly by using or generating a QR code. The panel comes with a inbuilt Android operating system, where we can download the application and we can install it in the panel and we can use it. Like Play Store, we have BenQ Suggest, where they have given a lot of applications. It can be downloaded online and we can install it in the panel. The panel comes with the inbuilt interactive applications, where we can open the applications in the classroom. We can call our student onto the panel. They can come here and they can select the correct words, like they can select the correct words and put it in the right box. Like this, 4 letters, 5 letters. Like this application, we have a lot of applications inbuilt in the panel. They can download and they can use it in the classroom. The panel comes with a inbuilt mirroring option, where we can connect our tablet to the panel wirelessly, and we can also make use of the applications. From the tab, I can directly access my panel. We can open any applications directly from the tab and we can use it. And the response of the mirroring will be really very good. Now I have connected my mobile device with the panel, where I can share my images wirelessly through the panel, and I can present it over the panel. And here in this sharing application, where we have a remote option, where we can take control of the panel here, and it is also having a one more option where is a hair remote, where I can directly control over the panel using my mobile devices. In the InstaCursor, we have a camera option, so that we don't require any visualizer or a scanner for capturing the books. We can capture the live image of the books. The connectivity features of the panel, which has 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output, and VGA options and LAN connectivity, and it also have a wireless option where we can connect with the Wi-Fi and we can directly access the internet. The stylus is given along with this panel, and there is a pen tray with the panel itself. They can just keep it like this. Still now I have not connected my laptop. What are the applications I have showed now? It is inbuilt. Like for writing, we have a Easy Write. For sharing purpose, we have InstaCursor and other local applications also available. Now I am going to connect with my laptop using the HDMI cable and the touch port. Now you can see my computer screen in the panel. Now I can control my PC here. I can open any files, and we can also zoom in, zoom out can be done. I can close the PDF Since the panel comes with a 4K resolution, we can play any 4K videos in the panel. The panel comes with a multi-point touch, and here I am going to show you the demonstration for the 10-point touch. I can open the QTouch application and I can select the pen tool, and now you can see the 10-point input. In QTouch we have lot of tools. When you click on the tools, you will be getting lot of tools like a recording option. We can record the complete classroom, and there is a revealer tool, spotlight tool, and moreover they have given a new option called multiple screen, where if it is a 3 student going to work on the panel, we can split the screen into 3 and they can start writing. They can start writing here like this. There is a math board tool where teachers can bring any shapes, 2D shapes, and they can convert that 2D shape into 3D shapes. Like they can select the shape and now they can make it as a 3D. BenQ interactive LED panel comes with the EasyWrite application for writing, and it has an InstaQ-Share where we can share the images from the mobile devices or tablet, both from iOS and Android. And it has a lot of applications like other applications like a browser, and we have a lot of local applications also. And moreover, the panel comes with a toughened glass, so it is non-breakable, and it is having a direct LED technology. The life of the panel will be 30,000 hours and above. The warranty of this panel will be 3 years. Thank you.